Hi, welcome to Kavana Healing Arts Spa, where we bring massage into your home. Today, I'm going to do some massage for people who are dealing with some lung issues, breathing issues, whether you have COVID or you don't. This is going to be helpful. Of course, if you have anything that's really going on that's very serious with your lungs, go see a doctor. But if you're having some chest congestion, some difficulty with your breathing, this massage is very, very helpful. So today my lovely assistant, as always, is Javi, and we're going to use some essential oils today. So I do recommend that you all purchase some type of essential oil that has a mentholated type of quality, whether it is, peppermint, eucalyptus, wintergreen, camphor. You can actually buy all of them, mix them together. They do have a little bit of a cold burning effect on the skin, so I would tell you to use a base oil. I would recommend a base oil. You can use coconut oil, almond oil, you can even use olive oil, and you mix 1 or 2 drops of each oil into that base oil before you start to do the massage. So I'm going to pretend that I'm going to apply it today. I'm not going to actually apply it onto Javi. And then you rub it into your hands. You allow your person who you're taking care of to take a few long deep breaths, to inhale that into their lungs. And as soon as they finish doing that, then you take that same oil and you'll rub it into their chest. You'll rub it into their chest and you start to work into all these rib muscles. Typically when people have congestion in their lungs, they're also coughing typically. That requires the muscles between the ribs, the intercostal muscles, to get stressed out and very, very tight. So you work through the intercostal muscles and you can feel them. You can feel all the little intercostal muscles between the ribs. And when somebody's been coughing a lot, they'll feel tight and sore, but it'll also feel very good. The other thing that you're going to do is work into their diaphragm. And so what you allow yourself to do is to allow your fingers to drop off the edge of the lowest ribs, and very gently, in a hooking motion, you work into the diaphragm. How's that feeling, Javi?
Feels good.
If a person's been having a hard time breathing, if they've been coughing a lot, this is going to provide huge amounts of relief. The other thing I'm going to do before I turn him over and I show you my last technique is I'm going to recommend that you tap. When you tap on the small bones of the ribs, you stimulate the immune system to produce more white blood cells. You also have the thymus gland in this region, and that helps stimulate the thymus gland to protect you, so that it boosts your immune system also. Okay, now I'm going to work on Javi's back to loosen up if a person has a lot of congestion and a lot of mucus that's stuck in the lungs. We're going to use a cupping motion. So if you can see what my hands look like. And then you're going to cup all over their back. You're going to avoid the kidneys, which are underneath the lowestmost ribs. And we're going to just, in a cupping motion, loosen the phlegm that's stuck in Javi's lungs. This should actually feel pretty good. How's that feeling, Javi? And of course, you can add also some essential oils, and not directly on their skin. You'll just apply this onto the skin. And the combination of what we've done on the front and on the back will help loosen up that phlegm, and it'll just feel good. Anyway, thank you very much for joining us today. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. If you want to come into the office to have us do this for you, will be our pleasure. So looking forward to seeing you all in the office. Thank you.